Imagine mo 'to, waking up every morning sa isang tahimik, exclusive at secure na village, walang ingay, walang stress, just pure comfort and privacy. And the best part, may sarili kang private pool. Yes, hindi mo kailangan lumabas just to relax. If you're looking for a luxury home here in Las Piñas, this might be the one you've been waiting for. Hi Kahow Seekers! This is Miss Shane Fernandez and today ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isang rare property located inside prestigious Philam Life Village. This is a luxury bungalow with a private swimming pool perfect for families na gusto ng space, comfort, and exclusivity. Hindi ito typical na bahay. This is a lifestyle upgrade. Let's talk about the location because honestly, this is one of the biggest selling points. Philam Life Village is known as one of the most peaceful and exclusive villages here in Las Piñas. Wide roads, mature trees and greenery, hindi congested, tahimik ang paligid, perfect for families. Dito, mararamdaman mo talaga yung subdivision living na premium. Hindi maingay, hindi magulo, ideal for raising kids or even for retirees who wants peace and relaxation. And of course, 24/7 security, so safe na safe ang family mo. Now, in terms of accessibility, super convenient. Few minutes to Alabang, accessible to Makati and Bonifacio Global City, near malls, hospitals, schools, and major roads. So, kahit tahimik ang location, you're still connected to everything you need. Now, pag-uusapan naman natin ang property. This beautiful bungalow sits on a massive 782 square meters lot area. Yes, sobrang bihira na ito ngayon, especially within the city. Floor area is 355 square meters, giving you enough space for comfortable living. You get 5 spacious bedrooms, perfect for a big families, 4 toilet and bath, no more waiting, 4-car garage, ideal if you have multiple vehicles, cozy family area, perfect for bonding moments, and syempre the highlight, your own private swimming pool. Imagine weekends, no need to go to resorts, dito pa lang parang vacation na. Perfect for family bonding, celebrations, hosting guests. Plus, you also have a garden space. Pwede kang mag-landscape, mag-relax, or even create your own outdoor lounge area. And since bungalow siya, sobrang convenient. No stairs, very accessible for kids, and even elderly family members. So, this is not just a house. This is where memories will be built. Birthday parties by the pool, quiet mornings with a coffee in your garden, safe afternoons habang naglalaro ang kids. If you've been working hard for years, this is the kind of a home you deserve. A home that gives you peace, space, and comfort, something na hindi mo makukuha sa typical na property. And here's the truth. Homes like this inside Philam Village are very rare, especially bungalow plus with pool plus large lot, bihira talaga lumabas sa market. So, if you're seriously looking for a premium home, don't wait too long. Book your private viewing today at 0955-608-9379. Look for Miss Shane. Again, this is your chance to own a luxury poolside bungalow in one of the Las Piñas most exclusive villages. Don't miss it. Happy house tour! See you! Bye!